Hello, I'm Nicholas from Chefs with Benefits, and today I'm making cheese pie, Tyropita. The dough that I'm gonna use is called Kourou, which means dry in Turkish. For the dough we're gonna need flour, butter, yogurt, eggs, baking powder. And for the filling, feta, anthoti or ricotta, semolina and dry herbs. The weights of the ingredients will be down to the description. We add the softened butter, the yogurt and the egg in a bowl and we whisk it until it's light and fluffy. We add the salt, the baking powder and the flour and mix everything together. Form a nice soft, sticky dough, but don't overwork it, as it might get tough. The softer and fluffier the dough is, so the pies will be as well. When it's ready, wrap the dough in cling film and put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour to chill. When it's completely chilled, prepare the filling. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit in the fan option. In a bowl, crumble the cheeses and mix well the herbs, black pepper and semolina. Place baking paper in the oven tray and leave it aside till needed. Cut a smaller piece of baking paper to help you open the dough. Divide the dough in equal pieces and shape them into balls. Using the baking paper and the rolling pin, open the dough balls into circles and add the filling inside. Brush softly with water so the dough will be sealed. Using a fork or with a little bit of cling film on your fingers to make a nice pattern on the sealing point. Add egg yolk with water in a bowl to make egg wash. Brush it over the pies and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until they have a nice golden brown color. I would suggest you to leave the pies to cool down a bit and don't do it like I did. I hope that you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, this was Chefs with Benefits.